I believe it's no longer news to you guys that you got the gold fanboy right here. I mean, like, for some reason, guys, I just switched to just trading gold, and it has just been good for the meantime. But anyways, in this video, something is going to change, guys, and we will be trying out GG for the rest of today, and let's just see how it goes. Basically, guys, I will only be trading GG for today. Yeah, so your gold fanboy, guys, is going to be trading only GG for the rest of today. So technically, I'm migrating from trading gold, as you guys can see on the chart. I'm migrating from trading gold to trading what GG for the whole of the day, guys. I mean, it's going to be crazy, guys. It's going to be crazy. So you guys can call it whatever you want in the live vlog or the likes, but I'm also going to be showing you guys what I'll be up to and what I'll be doing today. So today is Monday. I usually slack off on Mondays. Yeah. For some reason, a lot of people work on Mondays, but I don't work on Mondays. So anyways, you guys don't want to even get that story. Let me just quickly show you guys what I'm seeing on the chart now and what setup we'll be looking at for to trading on GG. So I got this account funded already. Yeah, I've deposited about $8,000 on this one. Anyways, let's just see how the market goes today and what GG has for us. For those that don't know GG is Great Britain Pounds, Japanese yen. So this is gold, and as you guys are familiar with that, I think we are going to be doing this guy today. So let's up on to GG. Yeah. So crazy thing, guys. Yeah, crazy thing. Let me just quickly show you guys a previous analysis I did, guys. You guys can see. You guys can see what happened right here. So this trade was given live in the live session like last week Tuesday, but price came and I think touched this trend instead. And then I was waiting for price to tap into this demand zone instead, so I didn't pay attention to this trend line. I was even focusing because if you guys see right here, see this supply level was tapped into, so I was thinking price was going to tap into this, but instead of putting our trade like this, and we might have gotten stopped out if you're using the trend. So that was why I was kind of like more conservative, so I put our buy trade. Anyways, you know what, bullshit story about that guy. Anyways, let me just quickly put this here and just, so you're looking for a scalp trade today on GBPJPY. I think we should be looking at this supply level. You guys can see price have been tapping into these supply levels as it was at its buying. This one is a breakout and a retest. This one tapped into the supply level. So this is my point of entry for today right here. Yeah. So I'll be looking for GJ to come back to this level. This level right here. Boom. And then give us something like this. Boom. And then can get something like this. Yeah, at least you want to fall there about for today's GJ scalp, so you guys can see. So it's clear as simple as day, guys. See, there's really nothing crazy about having to check the market, right? There's really nothing crazy about. So I'll just be using my supply and demand levels for this particular one, and let me just quickly show you guys how much I deposited on this particular account. Where's my MT5 again? Oh dear. Okay, let's just go back. Yeah, so as you guys can see right here, you got like $1,200 right here. So this is a real account for those of you that are doubting. Yeah, and we'll be trading GG. You guys can see. So let's just see. Let me just quickly set up my limit order in case price get to that level. So this is the level we're watching out for. This is only 30 minutes. I'm going out to the 15 minutes. So this is the level we're watching out for. Once price get to this level, we should be taking a buy. All right, guys. So it seems it's still on G. It seems price is about to get to our level already. Yeah, but no worries. I set a limit order. So I set a limit order thinking that so this is still our contract. Yeah. So I set a limit order thinking that no, it was going to take a while before price get to this particular point before the buy continues. But anyways, I think price is almost there. I don't know if I should take a limit order or instant or wait for take an execution. Just read this limit in case price is bad. But still, nevertheless, I've done my analysis already, so I'm just going to leave this to play out. Anyways, I'm going to update you guys, so you guys should help me watch this. So once you hit here, it's supposed to go like this to get ATP. So you guys should help me watch this, guys. Let me just quickly take my bath. I'll be heading out very soon. Yeah, I'll be heading out very soon. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm just about to head out right now. So well, I think price has still not yet got into our, as you guys can see, our limit order. So anyways, I'm going to update you guys once price get here. See, price is still like consolidating of the likes. Anyway, that is like GG for you. And it's currently 11 a.m. or something. So I'm currently heading out to get fuel, and then probably go to the car wash. Yeah, I'll go to the car wash and wash my car. And I don't even know, guys, if I'm going to wax my car or the likes. Let's just see, guys. Yeah, but after going to the filling station, I'm going to get some stuff for my guy too. So I'll most likely pull up in my guy's place. Well, anyways, I'm heading to the filling station like this, as you guys can see. And yeah, let's just see, guys. GJ is still playing. This is still playing around. I don't know what GJ is doing. I don't know if GJ is. I mean, today is Monday, guys, so there's like crazy expectation. But I just felt like, you know, let's just trade GJ for today. Let's just see how GJ is behaving. And yeah, I found my phone, my car phone holder. I found these guys at the back, but I don't know, for some reason I'm just being lazy to hang it up there. But I'm still in my estate though. Yeah, I'm still in my estate, and this is currently like 11. What is this nigga doing? This is currently like 11 a.m. Yeah, this is currently like 11 a.m. So still quite early, guys. Don't usually wake up in the morning. But anyways, I have a low tank like this, so let me just head to the filling station and let's see how it goes.
Be automated is if we know, like, let's just say we have an order in Tahoe and you're like a little store and you ordered $1,000, which is our minimum. You order $1,000 and we're trying to get more orders in Tahoe, but like, and you really wanted it this week, we need to communicate to you that, hey bro, I'm sorry, we're not coming until next week. And what will happen is we'll just kind of forget. We want them to constantly order. We want to make sure they're paying on time. Yeah, because they're horrendous with payments. Like, they're really bad. If you don't stay on top of them, you're fucked.
Alright, guys, so I'll be closing this one soon, guys. Yeah, so I'm currently floating like $40 in profit, about 50. I saw like $50. I'll be closing this one like real soon. Our TP target is still kind of far. So this first TP is for our limit order. Yeah, this is my overall TP. This one is for the limit order that price didn't get to. But these two TP, we got like about 1 to 1 now. So we're up like $50 there about. Anyways, I'll let you guys know if I'm closing this particular trade because we're at a major resistance level. Well, anyways, hoping to break an ETP at least before the night reach. It's currently 5:08. I was about to check the trade update, but my phone have died, bruh. So I just have to drop this shit here, man. Yeah. So when I get them, I'll probably just charge it and show you guys the trade. But for now, yeah, boy, just watch my car.
Yeah. It's been a long time coming. It's been a long time. Yeah. This is how. Getting down. Yeah. Hey. This is how. I'll be getting down. This is how. It is really done, they can't figure out. They don't understand, so they hold me down and out. Hey. We ain't going out like that. Watch me go and bounce right back. Down for the count, but the hound strike back. It get like that. I don't wanna hear it, but you hit me right back. They told me take the L and move on. Heard it from somebody who's been taking L's their whole life. I don't know what you want. Passive when they play you. Expect the best from people like there's nothing they can do wrong. Seen this movie way too many times, I'll be the fool for you to chew on.
So guys, I'm just coming back right now. I think I previously showed you guys that my phone died, like this other phone died. So can't even monitor our GJ trade, but hopefully it's just buying, guys, because I couldn't show you guys what my day was, bro, but I was just chilling with my guys, and there's nothing that crazy though, even though I couldn't vlog. So there's nothing that crazy. I think that was why I couldn't vlog. So I just dropped my car at the car wash, and they were supposed to wax the car, but I don't even know self whether they waxed it or they didn't wax it. But it's not looking clean, guys. I can't complain, but I'm back home, yeah. Should be dropping my car now. This is currently I think after 6. Yeah, after 6 or something like that. Yeah, it should be after 6. And I think hopefully to be a productive day, guys, if our trade is still in profit. And then I put it at the -$50 loss. Yeah, stop loss is at -$50 though, so I don't think we should be losing much if it reverses. Yeah, thankfully I haven't did that. And now for some of you saying, why can't I even charge it on my car, I don't think any Type-C cord is even here. No, anyways, I'm going to update you guys on the trade when I finally get home and charge my phone. Yeah, I should definitely update you guys. Without further ado, catch you guys later. Alright guys, so as you guys can see right here, GJ didn't get to that our level that we marked in the morning. As you guys can see, price literally shot up, like almost tapped into that demand. The guy is now up, guys. Well, at least we entered, guys. So this was right off this point that I entered the trade when price didn't touch here. So I entered the trade right here, and then my SL was around here or there about. I was risking 1 to 3. And we had a good buy, guys. So let me just open my phone, guys. So let me show you guys if we are still in profit. Let's go. Yeah, so this is that first TP that I said. I think I told you guys already. Alright, so we got like $100, guys. About $110 a day. About let me just quickly close my trade. Yeah, bulk operations, close all. Alright guys, so we made how much today? made $100. So as you guys can see, this was the deposit. I deposited one to this morning and we just made $100 by trading GJ just for today. So I think, yeah, it's as simple as that, guys. So this was the limit I set for this particular trade, but it didn't hit. By the end of the day, I mean, we caught a nice buy and they made $100. Just quickly share with you guys the pros and cons for GJ. So what I kind of like observed while trading GJ for the whole day would be that, like, it trends. It's not that it doesn't trend, guys, but the thing is that it's just slow trending. Like, it kind of reminded me why I left it. I don't know if you guys kind of get what I'm saying. Yeah, the volatility. I'm not like saying, it's not like the volatility is poor or something like that, but it takes time to react. Yeah, it takes time to do what it's supposed to do. I don't know if you guys understand that though. Yeah, it might follow your analysis and the likes, but we'll just take time to, to build market structure, to to kind of like do other stuff before actually going in particular direction, or to actually follow your analysis itself. And then I would say I think that is for the pros, right? And then for the cons, which are the disadvantages of the likes, I think, yeah, it's just it being slow or the likes. Then the pros, yeah, the pros is going to be, if it wants to go in your direction, yeah, it's definitely go in your direction, like big time. Like sometimes you can just be shooting up aggressively, and then you can just be shooting down aggressively. I would just say that should definitely be all when it comes to GJ. Like, it's a good pay. I'm not saying it's a bad pay, of course. Great Britain pound, which is Great Britain with combo with Japanese. I think they are pretty much stable currencies, and at the end of the day, if you should pay attention to market structure, you pay attention to demand, supply zones, mostly support and resistance, yeah, for GJ. Even though I'm doing more of talking and the likes, I'm supposed to be on the charts, but still pay attention to these two things: support and resistance, supply and demand. Don't use breakout and retest that much on GJ. Use support and resistance or supply and demand more on GJ, especially for now. Yeah, I don't know whether like 2 years back it might have been working, but for now, use support and resistance and supply and demand more on GJ. I would say that's pretty much what I kind of like observed for the whole day. I mean, I was transparent, guys. I was transparent all through, right from the beginning. And in the morning, I showed you guys my my analysis for GJ. And even though GJ didn't act as an analysis, we had to improvise. And at the end of the day, ended up closing with $100 profit, about $110 profit. So, which is kind of good, guys, if I will say, because we made about 10% of the account. Yeah. Imagine making 10% of your account, guys. That's crazy, right? And nevertheless, guys, I'm going to catch you guys in another episode. I'm kind of tired now, guys. I've been outside since morning, doing some stuff, closing some stuff, and yeah, I'll just keep updating you guys, and that will be all for a day with GJ. Yeah, basically a day with GJ. So make sure to subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
We ain't going out like that.